A little late but worth sharing and giving the due respect to the PhD I've earned. In 2022, I completed one of the most challenging and rewarding journeys of my life. My PhD from Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur. The PhD wasn't just publishing papers, it was a long meditation that sharpened intelligence and deepened emotional maturity. It also revealed how imposter syndrome and the urge to know it all perfectly can weigh heavy. I've always been inquisitive. Post 10th grade, I drifted a bit, but the Materials Research Center at MNIT Jaipur brought me back to my core, where I also had the opportunity to work in close association with NTU Taiwan. Still, the end of the PhD was humbling. Market realities, self-doubt, and the pressure to translate research into impact. Through a mix of luck and relentless effort, I found my first industry breakthrough at First Solar India as an NPI engineer. The corporate leap wasn't linear. A location change took a toll on health and briefly shook my confidence. But over the last 3 years at First Solar, the same PhD mindset, learning fast, thinking rigorously, embracing uncertainty, helped me grow immensely. Today, it feels right to give due respect to the PhD I've earned. For anyone navigating academia to industry, a PhD is more than experiments and citations. It teaches how to question deeply, build from first principles, and persist when answers are unclear. Those are exactly the muscles that create industry breakthroughs. Not instant, but inevitable with focus and patience. Keep going, it's hard, it's worth it, and the growth will surprise you. Grateful to advisors, peers, family, and mentors who made the journey possible, and to teams that welcomed a researcher's curiosity into product reality, open to conversations where research discipline meets execution.